Your shop floor. It's an extraordinary place. It's where your ideas become tangible realities. It's where all your blood, sweat, and tears merge with the latest advancements in manufacturing technology. It's where your parts and components are born before being sent out into the world. On shop floors around the world, you'll find Okuma machines. They are designed from the ground up to help you solve your greatest manufacturing challenges. We take great pride in being on these shop floors, and we like to think our customers take great pride in being Okuma owners too. Of course, even the best machine is nothing without a commitment to superior customer support. You need service, parts, repairs? All it takes is a phone call, and we'll find a way to ensure your machine is running at peak efficiency. In addition to customer support, our story is also one of continuous innovation. Our founder Eiichi Okuma once said, "The criticism of one is more valuable than the praise of 100." That philosophy is how we've grown from the small noodle-making machine company we were in 1898 into the single-source global leader in CNC machine tools we are today. And it's why, even in the 21st century, we are still committed to advancing cutting-edge technology. It's why we continue to evolve our revolutionary OSP control series, which provides a streamlined and intuitive operator experience. It's why we'll never stop updating our OSP suite, which integrates intelligent technologies with software applications for customized machining. It's why no matter what manufacturing breakthroughs occur today, we're always looking to improve them for tomorrow. If you already own an Okuma, you know our mission. We passionately pursue a customer for life. We're dedicated to the highest level of craftsmanship for every product we make. And our mission is driven by the philosophy that there's a human being behind every Okuma machine in use. When you purchase an Okuma machine, you can be confident knowing it's not the end of our pursuit. It's just the beginning.